We adore performance. The all-new Honda HR-V debuts a clean, sporty and expressive exterior design for 2023, featuring a bold new grille, longer hood and sleek roofline. The HR-V is larger than its predecessor, with a longer wheelbase and wider stance, while still remaining sporty and personal. The HR-V is the right size with the space and utility for an adventurous weekend escape, yet nimble to maneuver city streets. Set to launch this summer, HR-V will feature a more responsive engine and a new independent rear suspension, giving the compact SUV a more confident, refined and fun-to-drive personality. A low horizontal beltline that begins with its extended hood and continues over the swell of the rear fenders gives its flowing forms a sense of motion. Wide-set LED headlights and taillights emphasize HR-V's athletic stance. A sculpted hatch and functional tailgate spoiler highlight its sporty proportions. A large greenhouse provides excellent visibility, enhanced by door-mounted mirrors and HR-V's low cowl. For a cleaner, upscale look, laser brazing technology eliminates the need for unsightly roof moldings, and HR-V's windshield wipers hide under the hood line when not in use.